Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. In the previous video, we had discussed about phylum Platyhelminths. In this video, we are going to be discussing about phylum Aschelminthes, which is also known as phylum Nemathyhelminths and also called as phylum Nematoda. These are also known as roundworms because their body is circular in cross section. Because they have a circular body, they are also known as roundworms. Talking about general characteristics, they have a bilateral symmetry. They are pseudocoelomate, that is, a body cavity is present but it is not completely lined by mesoderm. Instead, mesoderm is present as pouches in between the body cavity. They have 3 germ layers and are hence triploblastic. They have an organ system level of body organization. These organisms exhibit tube within tube body plan, tube within tube body plan with two openings with two openings. Now habitat, they may be free living or as parasites on plants and animals. Now talking about the digestive system, they have a complete digestive system with two openings. One opening acts as mouth and the other opening acts as anus. These organisms are protostomic, as we have already discussed in our video on basis of classification. Protostomic means that mouth develops first and anus develops later on. They have a muscular pharynx. Pharynx is the common area for passage of air and food. Skeletal system, respiratory system and circulatory system are absent. Body muscles, they only have longitudinal muscles. Circular muscles are absent. That is, the body only has muscles arranged like this. There are no muscles which are arranged like this. Circular muscles are absent, longitudinal muscles are present. Nervous system consists of a circumpharyngeal nerve ring and nerves. So we already know that they have a muscular pharynx. So the nerve ring is arranged around the pharynx and the nerves originate from the nerve ring. The nerve ring is present around the pharynx and the nerves originate from the nerve ring. They have 3 types of sensory receptors, namely papillae, amphids and phasmids. Papillae are present for touch and amphids and phasmids are basically chemoreceptors. These are basically chemoreceptors. For osmoregulation, they have an H-shaped rennet cell. Also known as giant cell. Reproduction, they are mostly dioecious, that is, they exhibit sexual dimorphism. Sexual dimorphism means that males and females appear different. Dioecious means that male and female reproductive parts are present in different organisms. So males are usually shorter, females are usually longer, males have a curved end, females have a straight end. You can see male is smaller, female is larger, and the end is curved in male and straight in female. If you will closely look at the end of the male body, you will see this is curved like this. You will see the presence of copulatory spicules. So males and females appear different, which is known as sexual dimorphism. Fertilization is mostly internal, that is, it takes place inside the body, and development may be direct or indirect. Direct development means there is no larval stage, and indirect development means there is an intermediate larval stage which does not represent the adult, which does not resemble the adult. Talking about examples, we have Ascaris lumbricoides. The organism shown here in this diagram is Ascaris. It causes a disease known as ascariasis, which is commonly found in children. Next, we have Wuchereria bancrofti, and Wuchereria malai. These are known as filarial worms. And they cause a disease known as filariasis, which is also known as elephantiasis. It affects the lymphatic system of the body. Next, we have Ankylostoma duodenale. Which is also known as hookworm. And as the name suggests, it affects the duodenum, which is a part of small intestine. Next, we have Enterobius vermicularis. Also known as pinworm. It causes anal itching in children. Next, we have Drenunculus, also called as guinea worm, and it causes guinea worm disease. So with this, we are finished with the phylum Nematohelminths or phylum Aschelminthes. See you in next video.